If you begin by finding a quiet space where you can be comfortably seated, or you may be lying down, make sure to have your back straight, allowing your channels to connect with the divine, and place your palms facing up in receiving mode. If you first begin by taking a deep inhale and slow exhale, allow your eyes to gently close as you allow yourself to relax deeper and deeper as you continue to breathe a deep inhale, slow exhale. Allow your mind to suspend all thoughts and to comfortably connect with the energies of the sounds you are hearing, the delta dream waves, to allow the body, the mind, the soul to align with the highest of frequencies for receiving what you want to manifest. Again, take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Allow yourself to bring your attention, your focus towards the third eye, in between the two eyes, just above the eyebrows. Rest your attention there. Continue to focus on breath. By focusing on the sound of the breath, you are allowing your mind, your body, your spirit to be entirely present in this moment now. As you enter into the most powerful manifestation dimensions, whilst you visualize towards the third eye, a bright light starts to appear. A gateway, it's shining, it's bright, it's powerful. And while you breathe and you focus towards the third eye, you notice the pressure building up. It's building up and it's becoming greater and greater. Keep your attention towards the third eye. And see the light, it's powerful. In the center of the portal, in the center of the light, I'd like you to see yourself, the back of yourself. You're standing there. You're standing there, powerful. Your chest is open. Your arms are open. Your palms are facing outwards. And I'd like you to feel this connection, the divine connection, as you breathe and allow yourself to become one with this present moment. You are here now in this manifestation portal. And as you continue to breathe here, while you are 100% alert and present in this moment now, you notice appearing in front of you money, There's notes, there's coins, they're just appearing right in front of you. They're just falling from the sky. Money is everywhere. There's an abundance of money out there, and it's right in front of you, all around you. As you look towards the left, you see money. You look towards the right, you see money. You look all around the ground, you see money everywhere. And know that there is an abundance out there, right here, right now, in this moment in time. And as we continue to visualize this abundance of money, this abundance of wealth that's just falling from the sky, and it's everywhere all around us. And as we breathe, we are allowing ourselves to become one with the vibrations of wealth and abundance. Continue to visualize and continue to focus on all the money around you everywhere. There's all notes and all coins. There's fives, there's tens, there's hundreds, there's thousands. There's tens of thousands. And it's all around you. While you see yourself stood in the center of the light, you take a step forward. Allow yourself to take a step forward in this space. And take a few steps forward into the money. Everywhere you look, you see money. And while you're here absorbing these abundance codes, I'd like you to listen clearly to these words and feel every word. I am wealth. I am abundance. There is abundance all around me, and I attract abundance. I attract wealth, and I attract money. Money is always coming my way. I am a money magnet. I am open to receive an unlimited amounts of money coming my way. My mind is open. My body is open. My spirit is open. And money always effortlessly comes my way. I feel how lucky I am. This special feeling, this powerful feeling, this effortless feeling, and this knowing from deep down inside of my heart, I feel wealth and abundance. That is who I am, and I attract who I am and what I am. When I win, nobody else loses. There is abundance for everyone. And I just happen to be in this moment entirely aligned with this wealth frequency. I'd like you to take your left palm, place it over your heart, and your right palm, place it over your heart. I'd like you to take a deep inhale and a slow exhale. I'd like you to feel the gratitude for all that the universe is doing for you. Feel the love, the unconditional love, the abundance of love. Feel the joy and feel the peace in knowing that everything will come your way. And allow your emotions to amplify in abundance, in wealth, in peace and harmony. And while you do, you allow money to immediately come your way. You are a powerful vessel, and money can come to you instantly without you thinking or trying. It will arrive at the most unexpected times, in the most unexpected scenarios, without you trying. Those are the powers of the universe. And those are the powers that are within you. Take a deep inhale and slow exhale. Allow the portal to start closing off. Place your attention towards the third eye. At every inhale and slow exhale, you allow the light to slowly close off as you conclude this powerful guided meditation. You bring your attention towards your palms and your heart. You feel the gratitude, you feel the love, you feel the divine powers, the divine energies. You feel wealth and abundance. And you have the knowing that you do not need to try. The universe will have it all organized for you. Take a deep inhale. Slow exhale. Relax your palms facing down. Relax your body. Slowly bringing yourself back into this moment now. Slowly finding your senses. Take a deep inhale. Slow exhale. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.